What's up, Fly Crew? I'm coming at you with another video. And today is 4th of July, so happy 4th of July to everybody. We are barbecuing, and we probably gonna go see the fireworks later. And I'm taking you guys with me. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you are not missing on the upload. And let's get straight into it. We at the fairgrounds, y'all. Trying to see the fireworks. They got a car show over here. Okay. Now that's a big boy right there. That is a big boy. Yo, that's lit. That is a nice Challenger. God dang.
You can skate today.
I like that paint job. That detail is dope. That's crazy. Okay. Coming out with some good cars. They got freaking iPhone repair out here. What the heck? Yeah, it's heck of people out here. That is crazy. Fascinated, boy. That's crazy. I ain't never seen that like this before. Look at the moon, dude.
That's how my truck gonna be.
That's how your truck gonna be? Is it? These lights is dope. You like that one?
Bro, I have a question.
Huh? Get it.
Never mind.
I have a question.
He trying
Didn't
to
I
open
call
it.
you? Oh, well, I was thinking.
Oh, snap.
Go ahead, JoJo.
He
You
getting
can't
them
do it on the
all.
iPad or
Get it,
nothing, can you?
Josiah. Get it.
Grab the ones that you want.
Huh?
Tucky.
You know how you
Get
can
it, Josiah.
through
Oh, he
Apple?
putting it back.
You them back?
Yeah, he is. That's
Can you do
crazy.
that? We some baby. We some fake.
Can you imagine how I act like when you're not around? Like when I'm with like my friends and stuff. And then you be wondering why I know how to dance music. So who's really ghetto and trifling?
Me? Up to 169, 189.
What's that you was talking? You said what? You gonna wait till what? That's crazy. You gonna be a little punk and you gonna wait till I go to sleep.
You were supposed to hit her when she said, you said what you supposed to say?
I said Jesus is on the man.
What? Hi JoJo.
Yeah,
Looking right in the camera.
What you doing? Hmm? Dude. What? Why are you pulling me? Where are we going? Where are we going? You still pulling me. What? What? You want me to sit down? Sit down, okay. Let me sit down. So what's up? Jessica? What's up? What? What? You can see yourself? What you doing? Joe, stop. At least you listen when I tell you stop. That's a good thing. Anyway, y'all, this need to go. It's getting on my nerves. For real. I think it'll be gone in a couple days though. But yeah, it's been a couple days since the last clip. So me and Josiah are trying to finish out this video. Tell him. So we try to finish out this video. I just got done eating. Wow. He literally calls me over here then leaves. Each time. Each time. I don't know why he does it. He'll literally bang on my door. Hey! Why you yelling? He'll literally bang on my door, asking me to open the door, just so he could take me and we could sit right here. Literally. But he gets up every time. I don't know why he does it. And he pulls me. Like, he legit pulls me. Like, he won't even want me to stand. He won't let me stand, like, even by him. He'll legit pull me to sit down with him. That is what's crazy. Josiah came back. Joe, you got some in your hair, dude. You got some in your hair. Can I get it? No. Can I get it out your hair? You can't get it. You don't know where it's at. Let me get it. No, let me get it out your hair. He's so smart, y'all. Let me get out your hair. Look, let me see. Turn around. Turn around. Oh my God, Teddy, he's so silly. Turn around. Come on, let's see. Let me see. Why you running? Come here. Alright, yeah, let me see. Come on. Ah, see? Got it. That was in your hair. Said thank you. Said thank you. I don't know why he being rude, y'all. He usually tell me thank you. Said thank you. Yeah, there we go. You said it now. See? Y'all probably didn't believe me. But no, he said thank you. Josiah, come sit next to me. Come here. Come here. How you doing, man? Hmm? Say hi. He's so silly. Okay, say bye-bye. Good job. Yeah, that's my boy. You realize be talking? Okay, give me that. Give me that. Do it again. Oh, snap. What you doing? Why you hitting me like that? Huh? What? Oh my God. He's a handful, guys. He's a handful. But he's hilarious though. Like legit. He's hilarious. This little boy is so freaking smart. He know how to talk. He's being potty trained right now. It is insane. He is learning fast. And he's not even 2. That's what's crazy. He's not even 2 years old yet. And he's knowing how to do all these things. Alright, y'all. Watch this. I'm finna try to go in my room and see if Josiah bang on the door like he normally do, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Alright, let's go. What you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Joe, what are you doing? Seriously? You're so silly. Okay, come on, let's go. Joe, so you just gonna leave me?
Yeah, I know.
To watch him?
I know.
To watch this guy
Can I please?
play Fortnite.
Can I I play GTA.
Really? So thank you.
You can't get that. You can't get that.
You're welcome.
Can
This is mine. What you doing? Look, he think he doing something, y'all. He think he controlling it. He ain't controlling it.
take the OT at the empty pool?
You doing that, Joe?
Take the OT at
That's
the empty
crazy.
pooty.
That's disgusting.
Empty pooty.
He look
Take
at-
the OT at the empty pooty.
He look hecka serious. He think he doing it. Do it, Joe. High five. Come on. Yeah. What'd you say? He said, no.
That's so annoying.
This dude is silly. Let's go.
I said you are playing online. I said GTA.
Let's go. He's so silly.
Go! I did.
Let's go. Bro, why is he so silly? Joe, why you sitting on that couch like that? Come down. Come down. Sit down.
Oh,
Yeah, sit like that.
Oh, then you did all the missions?
They playing Grand Theft Auto now, y'all. And JoJo think he playing without even really doing anything with the controller. Joe,
He's in Hollywood.
what you doing? What the heck? What are you doing?
Everybody's so tired in the school.
What the heck? You want to sit over here?
Auntie Pootie, do you know there's gel in this thing?
What are you doing? Why are you climbing on that? Okay. Wow. Hey, you just spilled that on the couch.
That's pretty. If you go there, you get like.
Wow, you don't care? Wow. He laid back like, what's up? What are you doing?
He's trying to go to sleep.
I guess he is trying to go to sleep. Hey, leave me alone. He ain't trying to go to sleep. Look at him.
He just wanted bottle? And
He just wanted his bottle. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Ah. Wow. Seriously?
Can you help me, please?
Silly boy. I'm tired. I'm tired of this too, man. They need to get up out of here. For real. What you doing? Who you on the phone with? Who you on the phone with?
Oh, you. He
Huh?
said me. He said me.
Dude, look at what you doing.
No.
What are you doing?
This.
Why are you doing that? No, man. You can't. Hey.
Yeah.
And you got the phone backwards. Why are you doing that?
Yeah. Hello.
Oh my God.
What happened?
Joe, look at what you're doing. You just disabled the phone, dude. Why you do that? Boop. He's so silly. Why are you so silly? Come here. Come sit down. Alright, you guys, that is the end of this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you will not miss when we upload. Hey, bye-bye. That's my boy. You want to hit the camera too? Go like this. He said, forget that, I'm out. Alright, y'all. We out. We'll see y'all in the next video. What you doing? Why are you telling me bye? Seriously?